September 18th, and we are going to be completing a interior design project. We are creating a office slash study space. My client previously didn't have anything in this room, so we're not like converting it into something else, but we're super excited about this. So right now I'm headed to pick up some prints from Walgreens to go into frames before I head there, also to get Starbucks, because today is going to be a super busy day. Once we do that, me, Akeem, and the rest of our family are going to go to the state fair. And Kingston's super excited about that, so we're all excited. It'll be the baby's first time going to the fair, so I'm excited to see like how they'll do with the lights and the crowd and everything else. The weather's supposed to be pretty good today. There is a South Carolina Gamecocks game going on, so there'll probably be a lot of traffic. We're anticipating a lot of traffic. I'm sure, you know, there will be. So anyways, just stick with us. Today is going to be an exciting day.
Bob specializes in helping people find $1 million or more of term life insurance for a couple of $100 a month.
All right, I got my Starbucks, so we're about to go into Walgreens so I can pick up the prints. And that first sip just always gets me. All right, y'all, we are in the U-Haul. Everything's packed and loaded, and we are headed to my client's house. We are super excited. I think this might be the first office that I've done, so I'm super excited to see how it no, this is probably like the second office, but anyways, I'm just super excited to see how this one turns out. We are using a lot of personal items in this space, which typically I use a lot of artwork. But this client is a military sergeant, I believe. She's traveled a lot of places. She has a lot of achievements, a lot of stuff that she's proud of. I believe she's also in a sorority, so we have some of that stuff that's going to go up. So it'll be really personable, but it'll also have a nice design touch to it. So yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes. All right, y'all, so we are unpacking the U-Haul. We've already taken some stuff in. I forgot to record, so that's why I'm out of breath. So we just gotta take the rest of the stuff out, and then we'll start getting started. Like this, so I'm excited to see how they're gonna act. Keaton's ready to ride and see his cousins and have fun. What you ready for? Oh, there you go. The camera was pointing. No, I ain't have it. What you ready for?
They eat an elephant here.
That's all you ever be thinking about.
That's the only reason I go there.
I want some mushrooms. I seen they had some red velvet fried Oreos. And something else I saw. Oh, deep fried tacos. And Keisha, what you excited for? Huh? What you excited for? You say eating a white circle thing? Huh? You say eating a white circle thing? Is it an elephant here? Huh? Elephant here? Oh, funnel cake. Huh? Funnel. Y'all, we have been in traffic for 2 hours out here. We still in traffic. Still no park. But we are getting close to the gate now.
Yeah, that boy tired.
Talking about him right there?
Yeah.
They ain't doing nothing but walking around in the dang on way.
Shit, you walk all that here and you stop home.
He still ain't doing. What he doing? Walking around in a circle.
I think I'm walking to 2:30.
Well, you should do something.
I'm gonna shoot hard.
Look at him ready to blow his whistle.
You know you about to blow that whistle.
So we should be to the gate. I think they said gate 6 and 7.
That's it right there.
Both lanes turning in?
Yeah, I think that's what he's saying.
It's crazy.
Been traveling 2 hours.
2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. What'd you say? Off the rip, you getting how many elephant ears?
I'm getting 4. I'm gonna stack them up like a pancake. Bite straight through them.
Them people go. Man.
They send him home, man.
I'm telling you. Anyways, we'll see y'all when we get inside.
Hey, recording? What's up, Kingston?
What's up?
Tell them boy what's going on. Tell them boy we out, y'all. Flicking it up.
Flip it so it can be in 4K.
How you flip it? Gonna be good.
Alright, y'all ready?
How you flip this camera around? We out there. Y'all with the big dog right now. Keying back to me in the track. Acting black about that boy. How with y'all?
Why it ain't flipping around?
Huh?
It ain't like.
Oh, I
It's
ain't
not flipping in it. Y'all, we finally made it in.
Nah, for something.
Who?
Learn how to cook.
I hope I got that on my camera.
What?
Shavonna said she just learned how to curse. She going to that screen. You know how when you first start curse, well, I don't know, it probably ain't look like that for boys, but you gotta say like extra curse words. They already on there? I don't know who they are. Apparently.
He from down south. He from South Carolina.
Child, you have to tell me what he's saying because I don't know nobody.
Is that who? Didn't Gorilla? Gorilla, that's who Gorilla had said something about her son. Dennis here, y'all. You gonna have to leave. Causing all this commotion. You say tell him who that was?
John Green said he already told her. He said he don't care.
Look at it. Y'all want to see my babies? Passion.
I thought he would have had more security, right?
He probably thought coming here, he was straight.
Okay, give him one.
Y'all say hey, mommy. You want to get my vlog? Hold on. What's up, man?
What's up?
Tell him what you gotta do.
Huh?
Say, look at it.
You're coming too.
You said you ain't coming too?
You bad?
You excited?
Huh?
You excited?
Yes.
Why you whip it out on her like that? You got something to go? Oh! No.
You better keep your hands on my knees, boy.
Gee, you better hurry up. She about to come up out of.
Hey, I'm going in and crying. Oh, Lord.
He crying?
I'll check him out. I'm watching.
Oh, Lord.
No, she's scared. Acting like she's scared. I'm watching.
Hey, Cashin. Good morning. Full fried mushroom action. Is my lighter? Hey, Cashin. Look, she's trying to get out of the way. Hey, chicken mama, chicken boy. Hey, baby girl. Come on, Red. Come on, come on. Come on. More. Passion. We still out here.
Yeah, you in the park me. You done got flipped. Straight over. Flip the straight over. You think that? Well, you ain't even tough enough.
Yes, I am.
I'd have flipped you straight over.
Did Kingston come down yet?
I think they said they gonna do it again.
Oh, yeah, they right there. We still out here, y'all. It's
Junior
what
amp
time?
up.
Like 9:30. This one keeps trying to make her think she's smiling.
Look, tomorrow. Tomorrow. The camera. Say cheese.
Look just like my mommy.
My daddy.
You look like Cashin. You look like me too, though. I don't know, man.
I'm trying to go on all the rides.
You trying to go on all of them? You gonna play some games? What kind of games you gonna play?
So I'm gonna go on that one, then I'm gonna go.
Huh? Y'all know I've been on here screaming, hollering. He's scared, y'all. We're going backwards now. All right, y'all. All right. Break it up, man. My camera ain't gonna fall.
We're back with strong, boy.
Let's go, Kingston.
Oh, you almost had that.
Good job, man. You did good.
Y'all in there.
Y'all, we're just getting back in the car. It's 11:54 p.m. Just getting back in the car from the fair. What you doing? We headed home, shut it down. So, that concludes this vlog. Catch y'all on the next one. That's what we gotta have like an outro or whatever. What's our outro gonna be?
No, but all the vloggers been out there today. Seeing Duke Dennis, Lokai, and some other little dude my nephew been playing with. I never seen him.
I had to ask
before.
him his name.
How you get out there?
I had a good night. Been fun with my cousins. Been on about 100 rides. All of them been a little serious, but I got used to it.
That's right, my baby was brave.
But one of the rides I really want to go is a zombie ride. It might sound creepy, but it's real creepy to mommy.
You told me you protect me, and
I
I was
take
scared. You put your arm around me.
I had to take her and put my arm around her, and she wasn't there. Peace.
Same fair day 8 years later.
I used to hold her at the fair. Now I hold a turn at the fair.
Y'all, he did not want to win me no bear tomorrow. I'll buy you a bear. You know how when you first start dating, they be trying to like, you know, show you everybody I can win my girl a bear. Y'all been together a long time. They don't do that no more. So to my girls, No. You don't need that bear. I'm being take care of it, bro. From that bear. They out there getting bears. I'm getting. Sorry.
You need to chill out, bro. You got me choking.
Sorry, man. Anyways, it was a great night. So if y'all enjoyed this vlog, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. We have plenty more coming. Lots of action. Think about it. Get into it. Catch you on the next episode of Rolling with the Rivers. That's good word.
Sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough.